Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video in SQL Server. Today we are going to learn about what is a merge and what is union command in SQL Server. Union is a command in SQL Server which can be used to combine the results of two or more select statements of your query. So you can use multiple queries to join the tables using union command. You need to aware that each selected items in the queries need to be constant and all the selected columns need to be in the same data type. And while merge in SQL Server is a command which is used to perform inserting, updating and deleting operations to the target table based on some conditions in your source table. Merge is also similar to the union function, but you will use union in your select statements, whereas you can use merge to insert and update, delete your records in your table. So here I have an employee table and a consultant table. In the employee table I have employee ID, name, age and their departments. In the consultant table I have a employee ID, name, age and their department. So I need to merge these queries. I need, if there is a employee present in that table, if any of the column has been changed, I need to update that. If none of the query has been found in the source table, I need to insert and I need to delete all the remaining rows. So I can perform these operations using the merge query. So you can see I have provided the result set where you can find that the employee with the ID 2 whose age has been updated as 29 and the employee ID 4 is not present in the source table, which has been inserted into the source table, and the rest of 1 and 3 employees has been deleted. And for union I have two tables. I have just applied union to merge these two tables into a single table in my select command. Let's see some live examples in SQL Server to understand union and merge in SSMS. So here I have connected to my SSMS. We are under the training database. Let's create this employee table. So the table has been created. Also create this new employees table. So now we have two tables. Let's insert the records. 3 rows got affected and insert these two rows got affected. So now let me select the employee table. So you can see in this employee table I have an employee ID and their name, their age and the department. So let me select the new employee table. In this new employee table I have additional 2 employees, so I need to merge these records into my employee table. If the employee ID present in the source table, that is the employee table, I need to update if there is any changes. If there is the employee ID not present in the source table, I need to insert this. If there is any other rows in the source table present, I need to delete that. So we can use the merge command here. Let me use select star from employees and let's name it as E and okay, let me provide it here. We need to provide merge into the source table, which we are going to insert the values as E, using by which table we need to provide, that is the new employee table. Let's rename it as N. So we need to provide the condition on which column you need to perform this. We perform this based on employee ID, E dot employee ID to N dot employee ID. So after this I can use when matched, then I need to update this. So let me provide the update command. Update set e.name equal to n.name, and the age column e.age equal to n.age. Also the department too, e.department. I need to assign the n.department. And when it is not matched by the target table, then I need to insert the values. To specify target which is not matching to the target, then I need to insert the values. So let me provide insert into this employee table with values of tables of the new employees. So let me provide the entire employees in.name in.age and also n.department. So after this, the last condition, that when not matched by the source, then I need to delete this. And you need to remember that the merge command should be terminated with a semicolon. If you didn't provide semicolon, it shows an error like a merge statement must be terminated by a semicolon. So let's provide semicolon at the end of this query. So now let's execute this query. 4 rows got affected. So now let's select this employee table. You can see there is only 2 rows. So what actually happening in this query is that you can see I have provided the merge command for the employees table from the new employees based on the employee ID. When the employee ID is matched, I need to update the name, age and department from the new employee table. When it is not matched in the target which is the employees table, then I need to insert the ID, name, age, department from the new employee table. When it is not matched in the source, so if there is the record not present in new employees, then I need to delete this. So let us see an example for union. Before creating this, already have created employee table over here. Let's drop this. Now let's create this employee table. Let's create this consultant table. Insert these records into the employees table and also these records to the consultant table. So now let's select both the tables. Select, start from the employees. You can see the employee ID, name, age and their department. So let me copy this, paste it here, and now let's select this consultants table. This too has the ID, name, age and their specialization. Now I need to join both these tables. So let me provide, I need to join the name each and the department from the employees table, and the name each and specialization from the consultant table. I need to provide union. So now both the table has been joined and I have got the result set. The 3 rows comes from the employees table and the rest of 2 rows comes from the consultant table. So if you need a specialization as your column name, you can also provide the alias name as consult specialization. Now when you execute this, you can see the specialization as the column name. So if you don't understand what is the difference between union and union all, I have provided a separate video in the SQL Server playlist. Let me provide that in the description, where you can understand what is the difference between the union and union all. Today we have learned about what is a merge and what is a union command in SQL Server. So you can use union only in your select statements, but you can use merge to perform your insert, update and delete operations. So let me provide the GitHub link in the description. You can find the solution and some exercise. Please subscribe to the channel and watch all the videos in the SQL Server. Thank you for watching.